How to fix Marble Snap keeps crashing on Steam. 1. Check system requirements. Upgrade your hardware if needed. 2. Verify the integrity of game files in Steam. 3. Run Marble Snap as an admin. Like this. 4. Update graphics drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 5. Make the game use DirectX 11 by changing the launch options. Hint, enter DX11 under the launch options. 6. Allow the game through Windows, Defender, Firewall. Like this. 7. Play Marble Snap in Windows Clean Boot Mode. 8. Uninstall, reinstall, update your new game.